Enhanced self-driving technology represents one of the most groundbreaking advancements in modern transportation. Imagine a world where your car does more than just take you from point A to point B. It becomes your chauffeur, your co-pilot, and your safety guardian. Enhanced self-driving, often referred to as advanced driver assistance systems or level 2 and beyond automation, merges artificial intelligence, powerful sensors, and real-time data to create a seamless driving experience. At its core, enhanced self-driving uses a combination of cameras, radar, ultrasonic sensors, and LiDAR to monitor the environment around the vehicle. These sensors feed information to a central computer, which processes millions of data points every second. The system can recognize lane markings, traffic signs, other vehicles, pedestrians, and even unexpected obstacles. This real-time awareness allows the car to make split-second decisions, braking, steering, and accelerating as needed to ensure safety and comfort. One of the key features of enhanced self-driving is adaptive cruise control, which maintains a safe distance from the car ahead, automatically adjusting speed to match traffic flow. Lane keeping assist gently steers the vehicle to keep it centered within its lane, while automatic lane changes execute smooth transitions when it's safe to do so. In congested traffic, traffic jam assist can take over, handling the stop-and-go driving with minimal input from the driver. Safety is at the heart of enhanced self-driving. These systems are designed to reduce human error, the leading cause of accidents, by providing constant vigilance and reacting faster than any human could. Over-the-air software updates mean that, just like your phone, your car can become smarter and safer over time. While full autonomy isn't here yet, enhanced self-driving is already transforming the way we travel, making journeys less stressful and much safer. The road ahead promises even greater innovations, bringing us closer to a future where cars drive themselves so we can focus on what matters most.